The Blessed One's Praise of Sharp Mañjuśrī. Homage to the Omniscient One. The Blessed One praised Sharp Mañjuśrī. Your head shines gently with the beauty of midnight splendor. Your braids sway like a boat amid azure ocean waves. At the noble crown of your head, the supreme mark coiled to the right, an Ushnisha lofty beyond the sight of ordinary beings. That all suffering of existence be overcome, and your brilliant powers vanquish the enemy, the crown upon your head conceals a conqueror's excellence. Your perfections of might and skill are those of a Dharma Raja. As in cat's eye gems and water lilies, so in your eyes, white and black are distinguished with perfect clarity. Your elegant eyebrows glisten like crescent moons, and the sidelong glances of your smiling eyes signal your affection. You are the foundation of countless Dharma gates to limitless liberation in the sundry plethora of the victor's fields, embellished by pure music, excellent qualities, ample grain, and jewels of every type. The beautiful form of your nose is noblest of all, highly ridged with corners slight and elegant of shape, finely channeled like a slender stream. One will not tire of gazing upon its virtues, even in 100 eons. Your lips the red of a Mañjuśrī flower, your exquisite body perfectly formed, quelling deluded thought. Your lovely complexion, radiant as a lotus, clear as a lake, and the lucidity of your mind, all give reason to smile. Your moon-like countenance is golden and effulgent, a mandala of light resplendent with golden garlands, an orb of pure light to outshine 100 suns, emitting many colors like a mass of clouds. O gentle voice, the Dharma Dhatu you proclaim, alluring as the song of the Kalabinka bird. Your voice, perfect, pristine, and melodious, roars like a lion and chimes like a golden bell. The body that you cultivate, a body cloaked in noble splendor, performs the deeds of the most excellent of beings. It is youthful in appearance and youthful in bearing, a youthful form that trains the ready. You wear a crown replete with many jewels. Pearls are embedded in your golden necklace. Layered garments, a divine lotus, envelop you. In your right you brandish the finest weapon, which tames through skillful means. It is insight itself, incomparably keen, perfectly expressing the Dharma Dhatu principle, incisive in manner, unbreakable as Vajra. In your left is the perfection of wisdom, the inconceivable sphere where nothing is cultivated nor cast aside. Such is the fathomless Dharmata, the truth you embrace in your heart. This concludes the Blessed One's praise of Sharp Mañjuśrī.